ithempeli lami. Amen bazalwane. Mara sithola uNathan la uthi Bathsheba mama kaDavid, mama kaSolomon, awuzwanga yini ukuthi omunye wamadodana kaDavide sekayinkosi? Mara uDavide akazi. Amen bazalwane. Kepha uDavide akazi. uDavide bekuyinkosi, mara ngenxa yemkhula besekakhulile, iy'nsuku sezihambile. Uthi mara uDavida, the sitting king, ayazi ukuthi omunye wamadodana wakhe sekayinkosi. Lo muntu okhulumayo ukuthi wezwa uDavide akhuluma athi hey, nasisimo la kunento so uSolomon is going to become the next king ngokuba uNkulunkulu usho njalo. Mara simthola uNathan uthi Bathsheba akayi kuDavide, the person who respects i-protocol akayi kuDavide. uDavide is the king noma sekakhulile, but indoda iyazi uNkulunkulu, iyayazi protocol, iyayihlonipha iprotocol. Akayi kuDavide, uya straight kunkosikazi kaDavide. Uthi Bathsheba, nkosikazi kaDavide, uyazi na ukuthi uSolomon sebamshaya isipayi 2? Asizwe ukuthi uthini uBathsheba. Now please come and let me advise you. Ey, baba uMdluli namandla lena. Woza ngoku-advise ukuthi sekumele kwenzeke njani. Njoba ngibona isipayi 2 ukuthi sesisondele. Now please come. Hlana nasi isitulo la Mr. Q. Now please come and let me advise you. Save your life and the life of your son Solomon. Woza ngoku-advise ukuthi usindise impilo yakho, umsindise impilo yomntwanakho. Amen bazalwane. Go approach King David and say to him, my lord the king, did you not swear to your servant, your son Solomon is to become king after me, and he is the one who is to sit on my throne? So why has Adoniah became king? Amen bazalwane. Uthi lona woza ngoku-advise kuze usindise impilo yakho nempilo yomntwanakho. Usho ukuthini ngalokho? Usho ukuthi if u-Adoniah becomes the king, then uSolomon nomamakhe, chances u-Adoniah ngababulala. Amen bazalwane. Ngoba ubabulelelani? Because uyazi ukuthi the nation knows. Uyazi ukuthi abantu bayazi, abantu bezwa ukukhuluma kaNkulunkulu ngomlomo kaDavid. Hayi bazalwane, abantu bayazi. Hayi ungayenza into yoku umgugu, mara abantu bayazi. Amen bazalwane. Namanje MBSDH abantu bayazi ukuthi iqiniso lithini. Abantu bayazi ukuthi thina siphumeleni si-MBSDH. Abantu sebangakhuluma bayenze konke, basikhulume kabi, yonke into bayenza according to, mara iqiniso abantu bayalazi. So therefore vele uSolomon nomamakhe bebafile. But le ndoda le ithi, let me advise you, hamba kunkosi noma seyikhulile, mara hamba kwinkosi, ufike lapha enkosini uzithobe, bese uyambuza kuthi nkosi yami uDavide, awuzange wena wathi na uNkulunkulu uthe? Nkosi yami Davide, azange wena washo ukuthi umuntu ohlala esihlalweni sakho wena mase udlula ebukhosini uSolomon na? Ayi kahle kahle hleze makacabanga uBathsheba kwamlimaza lokho ukuthi ngiyongena njani, because ngiyayirespect protocol, but in this case she had no choice. At that moment, while you are still there speaking with the king, I'll come in after you and confirm your words. So Bathsheba went to the king in his bedroom. Since the king was very old, Abishag the Shumanite was serving him. Bathsheba bowed down and paid homage to the king, and he asked, "What do you want?"